Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your May 2021 predictions and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what is there for my Geminis in the month of May 2021. So before that, I'm going to take one card from my Moonology deck. So as a guidance. Let's see what is the guidance for my Geminis in the month of May. Please, what is it? The answers you need are coming. Okay, so you might be needing some answers from the universe, from some people, in fact. So whatever things which you want. So full moon is in Gemini also, so this is your sign only. So wow, so you need answers, you want some communication. I see some communication coming your way this month. So whatever it is, it's going to come this month, okay? Let's see what else do we have for my Geminis. One more card from the universe for my Geminis, please. Meditation for peace and serenity. So before that, before some communication, I see that you are in a dire need of some peace and serenity. It looks to me that at this time you really need to just meditate or just leave your telephone, your other things around you. You need to focus on some things. You need to just be with yourself, be with your pets, be in your garden, take care of your plants. You need that thing, okay, Gemini. So I feel that, okay, a lot of things are going on in your mind, Geminis. That is why you are really feeling restless and you need rest at this time. Okay, let's see, why are my Geminis feeling so restless? What is happening? Okay, I'm going to see your past, present and future energies over here. Let's see the past energies for my Geminis. What are the past energies? Geminis. Okay. Knight of Cups with the Hierophant and Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Okay. Present energies for my Geminis. And future energies. Overall energy is King of Swords over here. Yeah. Okay, so Geminis, it feels that things were really pretty confused in your past energies because it's Knight of Cups with the Hierophant and Knight of Pentacles. It looks to me that there were more than two people involved in some situation in your past. It might be a love relationship with more than two people, and there was a marriage as well. With one person it was a marriage and the third party is other than extramarital, something like that was going on with someone, either you or it can be your person. We are going to clarify the exact situation in the past. Let me just grab my cards. So your current energies, I feel like it's not you, it's the other person who might have cheated, because your energies are King of Swords with the 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups at the back energy. It feels like you were the one who wanted to be in a family situation. It can be you, can be the other person as well, okay? So just take as the situation goes. So somebody over here was you wanted some explanation, you wanted to talk, you wanted to communicate, and that is why the answers you need are coming towards you, and that is why things were really not good in your head. So I think that this is the thing which is going on in your head. Let's clarify why the King of Swords with the 10 of Cups is here in the overall energy for my Geminis. Queen of Pentacles, some other person is here. So this is the answer which you need, that who is this person, who is the third person in your situation, why this girl, this lady, or this gentleman, why this person has come in between us all of a sudden, you know. Let's check out your past energies with the Knight of Cups, the Hierophant, and Knight of Pentacles. Why these three cards are here. One card for that here. Seven of Swords, cheating, betrayal, lies, always. So you were like, why, but you didn't get any answer before. Never. Okay, so present energies, again Seven of Swords. So I've got two Seven of Swords in your energies. Seven of Swords, the Emperor, and the Eight of Pentacles. You want to still work with this situation. You are not showing that arrogancy level the other person is showing to you. You still want to work in the situation. You still want to work in this marriage, but let's see what is going on. One card for this simplification, please. One card. Okay, so it's the Three of Cups, the third party again. I feel that you want to work, but the other person wants both of you. I feel like that, you know. Somebody over here is so confused that he or she wants the two, both. And the decision making is really very hard. Why the Emperor is here in the middle of the reading? Why the Emperor is here? The King of Wands, yeah. King of Wands need everyone. Whatever King of Wands need, he wants it all because he is the king of the kingdom. So King of Wands want that. Right now, do not ask me anything why and whatsoever, because I want both. I cannot leave anyone. That is what the situation is going on in the present. In the future, Page of Swords, Strength, and the Six of Pentacles. What is there? What is there in the Page of Swords, Strength, and Six of Pentacles? Why is it here? In the future energies, what I feel is, you know, I feel that you are going to build a lot of strength and courage in you, and the decision making has to be done by you, has to be made by you, and you will take that decision, you will do that decision making. But there might be a child also involved in this marriage. Somebody, you know, younger to your age, somebody younger is also involved. Let's just clarify why the Page of Swords, Strength, and Six of Pentacles are here. So it has come in the reverse, so I'm going to take that in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse and Eight of Swords. Yeah, the answer will come to you. Okay, whatever answers you need, they are coming towards you, but it won't be in your sight. Okay, it won't come with an apology, it will just come as an information. Okay, you yourself will have to take some decision. You will take some decision making, and you don't want things to go. If you are the one who has given a lot in this relationship, you want it back as well. You have done a lot and you are getting nothing out of that situation. So I feel that, you know, it's like leaving away from that situation. You will get the answer because the answer is not in your favor, but still you are courageous enough, you're bold enough to at least speak it out. Okay, so they are speaking, you are speaking, and the communication is there. Whatever you feel, the freedom in you, you are going to feel that freedom inside you, and that inner strength which is actually important in the coming future, that is what it's coming towards you. Okay, not the outer strength. You don't have to push that person with the, you know, with your fist. No, you have to show some courage, that who you are, what kind of a person you are. All right, so that is all from my side, Geminis. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.